The public domain stuff, is it better than PLR? Maybe, maybe not. But I've been looking out for this version, Public Domain Empire number 5. I have numbers 1 to 4. And I've used them, and I was hoping they were going to come out with this year. I got it. I got one of the OTOs because I had some of the other ones. I'll show you what they are. And it's so inexpensive. I'm just saying, just get it, because you're going to use this. You're going to love this. And truly, this is great for you and your business. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And be sure to get my PLR checklist. There's a link in the description. Click on it, get to this page, and get this amazing checklist on how to find the best PLR, how to create products, and make money with PLR. So get on the email list, find out what I'm doing, and I'm going to keep you in the loop. Also, there is a link to get the Public Domain Empire number 5. You can do well with just the original product number 5. There are some OTOs. I'll tell you what they are, and just get it. Seriously, get it. So what is the public domain stuff? Public domain is information that is no longer copyright. It's free. For instance, I bought this from Yannick Silver. I don't know if he's still around. He was the king of public domain and stuff. And I bought a lot of his stuff, and this is probably from the last century, late 1900s. And this was the self-help niche. And I bought a lot of stuff from him. I've gone to his seminars. It was amazing. But this was expensive. It really was. This was hundreds of dollars to get this. And this was years ago. The public domain empire is, right now, it's virtually, it's so inexpensive. Just get it. Click on that link and find out what it is right now. It may go up. It may not. I don't know. So in the public domain, there are movies and audios, but there are books. I have a book that I turned into a product, Think and Grow Rich. And it's in the public domain. So I created a product called Trance and Grow Rich. And it's great. I got it for free. I turn it to my product and I can sell it. And that's what you can do. So this is the public domain empire page, and it's just wonderful. And these are from books that are from the last century or earlier. I like this one. It's a movie from Buster Keaton. And I just saw a movie just like this the other day on TCM. But you can download this and use it, sell it, and people will love this stuff. Alessandro has been doing this for years. He's an expert in the public domain genre, and I really trust this guy. So you get this. It's a PDF book. It's a PDF with all the links. Now, you could spend a lot of time finding all these links yourself. Just get this, and he did all the work for you. And truly, it's not a lot of money. Click on that link and you'll find out what this is right now. So this is a hint of what you'll find in the public domain empire number 5. Look at this. Rudolph Valentino, the son of the Sheik. Harold Lloyd, love that guy. Books with Hemingway. Songs, and you can use this any way you want. It's basically free. You download it, and it's yours. So when you get the public domain Empire number 5, you get the course. It's a PDF. That's what it is. So it's a PDF course. It's worth the money, truly worth the money. And you get all the flags of the world, 249 flags. You might not use them, but you get them. And right now it's $17. You can't get a good pizza for that. So really, get it. Just get it. OTO number 1 is the public domain Empire number 1, the first one. You get that. You get the public domain Empire Enhanced. It's all the other books that he sold before. I got these in the original price. It would normally be almost $100. It's $27. If you want it, it's there. OTO number 2 is kind of cool, and I have this. It's the public domain Kindle. Alessandro is an expert about Kindle, and it's a good course. I bought it for $27, but it's not that much now because he bundles everything together. So this is the PD Kindle, the cookbooks, software, public domain children's books. You can repurpose this and package it and sell it. $37. Not a lot of money if you want it. OTO number 3, and normally I don't really make a bunch of OTOs, but these are actually really good. If you want this, it's public domain language courses. These are audios. 101 audio courses in different languages. And you can package this. They're MP3s. $27 if that's what you like. Kind of cool. And OTO number 4, this one I got. The reason that I didn't get the other ones because I already had them. So these are recipe books. And right now I am eating meatless. Not for any other than I was lowering my cholesterol. So I started eating less meat. So I saw that and I thought, 250 recipes. And I could actually package it and sell it. So you get over 300 recipe books for $27. I got it. And these are amazing. Just to give you an example of what you could do with public domain books and other things. There's a magician in England. I think he's 22 years old, and he has this free offer. You get on his email list, which is what I did, and I got 24 magic books. Some of them I have, because I used to be a professional magician, I have them here in book form that I spent hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over the years for many of these books. And these are classics. I own the original books, but it's in public domain right now. I think it was made in the early 1900s. I have this book. I have that book. I have many of these books, but I got them for free again in PDF form. Look at this. And he gives it away when you get on his email list. But and he's a really smart guy. At the very end, if you want to get 360 more books, you click here, and it goes to this page. And he uses ThriveCart. Smart guy. And he doesn't use a website. So with ThriveCart, it creates a sales page for you. And this is all part of it, even the counter and everything. And he sells all of these books. And you wouldn't believe how much. $10. $10. So why does he do that? Because you get into his funnel. And I get emails almost every day from this guy. I'm not a magician, so I'm not interested in this. So I don't get any of this stuff. I didn't even buy the $10 one. But I'm just showing you what you can do with public domain books, audios, and everything. So I'm telling you now, this is an opportunity. Get the public domain empire number 5 and look at the OTOs. And truly, this is really good stuff. Is it better than PLR? I don't know. Let me know. I'm Brian Toder with PLR Ideas, where I talk about PLR, use PLR, and how to make money with PLR. And we'll talk soon.